everyone, this is Sandy, and today we would like to share with you our 3-play positioning mass machine. The speed is 100 to 120 pieces per minute. First of all, I would like to introduce what is the positioning mass machine. The positioning mass means here have a certain pattern on the fabric. We have to make sure each fabric with the same pattern in the same location. So at this time, we have to use our positioning mass machine. And the yellow wording dot is we accept customization, so we can see the effect. So that's all for the introduction. Let's take a look at our machine from the whole appearance. And I will start my introduction from the fitting area. This part adopts 3 tension roller and 3 fabric corrector, and this hole is the mass boarding machine. And the tension roller is meant to make sure the fabric will stay in the same position. And you have clear numbers after you adjust to a certain position. If like 24, that means next time you put in the 24 location. And this is our another material. It's meant for the positioning mass machine. It have a black watermark. It's meant for the sensor to detect it, to make sure each bus of the pattern will be in the same position. Here is our fabric corrector. It's meant to make sure the fabric will stay in the same alignment with the machine, and to avoid the fabric will go too left or too right. It will automatically adjust if it's not in this position. You can see here I have 3 pieces. And next, this is the nose pin rack, and this is our folding part. The first is manifold the fabric in 3 lines, and this is befolded, and this is stressed fabric. Make sure it can go forward. And this is the nose pin part. It's driven by servo motors. This is the get roller of the nose pin. This is the nose pin cutter. And this is the 6 roller structure. This is the mass mode. These 2 are the mass mode. If you want to do logo, you have to change those 2 mass mode designs. This is meant to seal the top and below to print the lines, and this is to print the left and the right side lines. This is the get roller as well, and yellow get roller the same. This is the mass body cutter. It's all driven by servo motors. Let's take a look at our screen.
With the servo motor structure, you can adjust the whole part by using this touch screen. You have no need to operate on the machine. And there are some function buttons. This is meant to control this part. So this is all the introduction for the mass boarding structure. And I would like to share you another point. These two mass mode driven by two ultrasonics with 18K 2600 watt. And this is the mass body conveyor belt. The mass body will transport to the ear loop welding station. The whole ear loop welding station adopts 9 pieces of servo motors. Those two are used to control the clip to stretch the ear loop from there to this side. And this ear loop clip driven by servo motors. So total 4 clips means we are using 4 pieces of servo motors. It's meant to drive its turning. And the big servo motor here is meant to drive the whole structure, especially the welding head up and down. This servo motor is meant to drive the 4 small servo motors, control the clip up and down. And the ear loop location use stepping motors. And the ear loop scissors driven by stepping motors as well. And here is our mass ear loop folding cold pressing folding device. It's meant to make the ear loop fold outside. Let's take a look at our finished sample. Here you can see it's automatic. The ear loop is automatically fold outside. The finished mask will be delivered to this location, and this part will push the finished mask down. Let's take a look at our electric box. The mask boarding forming structure uses 6 pieces of Shinji servo motors. The ear loop welding station box here total use 9 pieces of Shinji servo motors and 7 pieces of stepping motors. One stepping motor is control the cold pressing ear loop device. Let's take a look at another side of the ultrasonics. The ear loop welding station uses 2 ultrasonics with 20K 2600 watt. And here we can see here have servo motors is meant to control the 6 rollers and the nose pin part. This is our ultrasonics. It's with 18K 2600 watt. It's meant to control the 2 mass mode. So that's all for the introduction of the positioning mass machine. See you next time.